Let's cut the chase. You want to remove the background from an image and you want it to be quick and easy, right?
Subscribe and press bell icon and never miss another update from Tweak Library.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivani and welcome to Tweak Library. In this video, I'll tell you a quick and easy way to remove background from an image. This video is going to be super helpful for those who want to edit their photographs in their phone. Remove.bg is a service to remove the background of any photo. It works 100% automatically. You don't have to manually select the background or foreground layers to separate them. Just select your image and instantly download the result image with the background removed. All you need to do is type remove.bg on Google. And upload image. And just tap on download. And you are done. This is so nifty. That's it for today's video. Hopefully image background removal is now much easier for you. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.